Arctic Fox has a talented team of engineers and technicians providing turnkey contract manufacturing services that can't be rivaled. Our machinists are experienced in working with a variety of materials. Utilizing state-of-the-art tube fabricating equipment, Arctic Fox can fabricate and bend tubes into almost any shape imaginable. We're masters on the press and experts in both conventional machining and welding. Our intensive quality testing ensures a consistent product that we are proud to stand behind. The development and manufacturing process move quickly, and it isn't long before the finishing touches are applied and your custom product is packaged and shipped. Whether you're in need of a prototype or a product development project, the engineering team at Arctic Fox will work side by side with you to manufacture your ideas into reality, designing the optimal solution to meet your unique specifications. To learn more, contact one of our manufacturer representatives at 800-654-5382 or email customerservice@arctic-fox.com.